Hey, welcome back. Pain is inevitable. Suffering is optional. Haruki Murakami. All right. This is freecodecamp.org. Right now we are working on responsive web design certification, and this video is going to go over um, learn HTML forms by building a registration form. And within this section, this video is going to be steps 31 to 40. Right. And then also in Free Code Camp this year in 2024, we're going to be doing all of these certifications. So if you are interested in walking through with us and following along as we learn how to program in 2024, subscribe and give us a like and follow if you like the content. All right, now jumping right into it, we are in responsive web design certification. We are learning HTML forms by building a registration form, and this is step 31 to 40. All right, step 31. Add the text I accept the terms and conditions immediately after the input element in the newly added label. Mm, Accept the terms and conditions. Then link the text terms and conditions to the following. Okay. So we'll put an anchor with an href. Copy. And the anchor. Check. All right. That's it for step 31. So we added I accept the terms and conditions, and then we put an anchor tag around terms and conditions with the href set to the URL they asked us to. All right, on to step 32. Step 32, moving on to the final field set. All right, we're on the last one. What if you wanted to allow a user to upload a profile picture? Well, the input type file allows you to do just that. Add a label with text, uploaded profile picture, and nest an input accepting a file upload. Okay, so we're going to do, first we're going to put a label element. Okay, and then in the label element, we're going to put an input element. If we don't need to, input is self-closing. And the input is going to be of type file. All right. And we're going to put upload a profile picture. All right, let's see if that's what it wants. That's it. That's what it wants right there. All right, submit and go to step 33. Okay, step 33. Add another label after the first with the text input your age, years, and then nest an input with the type of number. So we'll just copy this, paste it. Instead of upload a profile picture, we're going to put input your age in years. Okay, and then instead of file, it's going to be number. All right, next add a min attribute to the input with a value of 13. Right. All right. Also, users probably will not be over the age of 120. So add a max with 120. Okay. Now, if somebody tries to submit the form with values outside of the range, a warning will appear and the form will not submit. Hmm. There we go. That's it for step 33. On to step 34. Okay, step 34. Adding a drop down to the form is an easy way to select elements. The select element is a container for a group of options elements. The option element acts as a label for each drop-down option. Both elements are require closing tags. Start by adding a select element below the two label elements, then nest 5 option elements within the select element. Okay. So we are going to have a select element. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, then we're going to do our shortcut. Oh, all right. And the shortcut is Control Alt D and then down. It's doing this. Why is it not in line? We'll just do it here. And then we're going to have 5 option elements. Okay. All right. Step 35. Nest the select element with its option element within the label element. Nest select element with its option elements within a label element. Okay. With the text, how did you hear about us? The text should come before the select element. Okay. So let's put our element open tag first. And it's going to be label. All right. And then we'll put our text. All right. How did you hear about us? Question mark. All right. And then we'll close our label element. Okay. Congratulations, it passes on to step 36. All right, step 36. The drop-down options are currently empty. To give them content, add the following text to each subsequent option element. Select one. I will be right back, guys. All right, so let's put these in here. So we'll just simple to copy and paste them. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, paste, copy, paste. All right, there's our options. See if that's what they were looking for. Congratulations, code passes. That's it for 36, on to 37. All right, step 37. Submitting the form with an option selected would not send useful value to the server, such as each option needs to be given a value attribute, without which the text content of the option would be submitted to the server. Give the first option a value of, and the subsequent option elements values from 1 to 4. Okay, so value equals, you know what, we could do value all at the same time, couldn't we? So we don't have to type it over and over. Control Alt D, down, 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 down. Okay, value equals this. All right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that should be what they're looking for. Let's see. All right, congratulations. That's what they were looking for. All right, on to step 38. All right, the text area element acts like an input element of type text, but comes with the added benefit of being able to receive multiple line text and an initial number of text rows and columns. Users will be able to register with a bio, add a label with the text, provide a bio. At the end of the field set, add a text area element inside the label. Note that the text area requires a closing tag. Okay. So at the end of the field set, add a label. All right. Okay. And it's going to say provide a bio. Right. And then we're going to have our inputs. And it's going to be a text area element. All right. Yes, text area is not self-closing. Okay, there we go. And so it requires a closing tag. All right, so that's what it should want us to do. So that should be it for this step. All right, congratulations, the code passes. On to step 39. All right, step 39, link the application form elements and their label elements together. Use profile dash picture, okay, age, refer, and bio as values for the respective IDs. Okay, so profile picture for this file type one. So ID equals profile picture. And this is going to be for profile picture. Okay. And then put your age. So this is going to be for age. And then the ID is going to be age. Okay. Then how did you hear about us? Is going to be for refer her. And then the input is going to be ID equals refer. Okay. And then bio. So this is going to be for bio. And then the text area is going to be ID equals bio. All right, let's check if that's what it needed. All right, congratulations. That was it for step 39. On to step 40. All right, step 40. The text area appears too small. To give it initial size, you can add rows and columns. Add an initial size of 3 rows and 30 columns. Okay, so rows equals 3, right? Columns equals 30. There you go. All right, and that's it for step 40. Guys, I'll see you all in step 41, and then hopefully within the next video or two, this registration form will be finished and we'll be on to the next section. Like I said, we're going to try to do all the certifications here in 2024. Follow along with us, like and subscribe if you like the content, you want to learn to code with us throughout the year. All right, I'll see you in the next video.